Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make nam, okay? Nam หรือว่าสมหมูเนาะ Okay, let me introduce you to the ingredient. I have a pork skin, okay? Sliced very tiny, small. Very thin, and you clean it out real good, okay? I will show you on my video how to do this one. I prepare the hot water, put some salt. Okay, 20 minutes, check. Yes, nice and soft. My fork go through the skin very well. Let's rinse it. Look now, that's good enough, okay? Set it on the side for a while until the water drain out from here, okay? Then we slide. You know when you slide the pork skin, you see like this side is the inside and this is outside skin, the part, okay? Face down, okay? Soy like your newมือ here. And I got sticky rice that I rinsed in the water real good, okay? I rinse couple times until they not stick together, but it is sticky rice, okay? And you wanna have a chili pepper and garlic and fresh garlic and pork, okay? No fat, okay? And then I have the salt, put the salt and sugar right here, okay? And then the thing that for the wrap, we have yarn, rubber band, okay, banana leaf, and I dry in the sun a little bit, okay, rinse it out real good with the warm water and wrap it real good, and then I set on the sun like a couple hours. And this is by Mạc Yum, okay? By Mạc Yum is from my own garden. That's why I want to make some for you guys today, okay? Let's cook together, okay? Okay, what I do here, I peel all the garlic like that, right? And then I'll use just a regular bag, like, you know, sandwich bag. And I'm gonna triple them, okay? Put on my hand like this. And I will show you how to do something easy and your kitchen won't be too messy. Instead of do one at a time, you can do a whole thing at one time, okay? Like that. I mean, I always find a shortcut, you know, much as I can. Then you want to do like this and get one of this like hammer. Nice and clean, right? And I'm gonna put slide out so you can see what they look like. Like that, see? Kamundi. Ooh, แรกดีเห็นปะแรกขัดกระโถแบบนี้ Okay. Okay. See, I already chop my pork, right? Chop my pork very good. Okay, the pork. Now get them ready. Nice and fresh, right? Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead, first of all, put the salt. Work with the salt first. And sugar. Okay. I'm gonna work these two first. And now I have, all I need is muscle. Need my muscle, that's all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put my garlic in, add the garlic, add some garlic there. You have to work like this, okay? Go ahead, continue, do like about 15 minutes, okay? Go ahead, add the sticky rice, okay? See, that's perfect, okay? I'm working on it like 20 minutes, okay? And so they kind of like stick together real good, okay? So you just kind of like go ahead, mold them what size you want, okay? You want to press all the air out real good, okay? Good exercise. Work a lot muscle with chop, chop, chop and massaging the pork. I got good workout. See? You want to look like that, okay? Use the banana leaf, 2 pieces, and then this one 2 pieces also, okay? And you're gonna lay like this, just leave it out just a little bit, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is ใบมะยม okay? หูดมะป๊าบ ใบมะยมเนาะ เขาก็เอาห้อง like you lay ใบมะยม like this, okay? This one is you know, is make the som. Give more flavor to it too, okay? And it's also smell very good, okay? So I'm gonna put my garlic like this, okay? And on this side, I'm gonna go ahead press my pepper there. Then put more ใบมะยม on top of it, okay? Like that, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead. You see this part right here? I'm gonna press that like that, okay? And I'm gonna have to use the towel and do this. You know how like I cook for my family? I'm not professional like doing for sales. So do however you comfortable, okay, guys? If you have better idea, go for it, okay? But this is how I do mine, okay? And you wanna make sure it's super tight too. That's a banana. You want to make sure it's super tight, okay? And you want to cut like hold like this and fold. See how like I pick with my 2 fingers like this and then fold. See how I fold it? Fold them like that, okay? And don't worry about that one. If they left over, you just go ahead, tuck it in like that, okay? Grab like this, then I fold. It's very important. You have to put in the your banana leaf on the sun. Even I leave them out quite a while, and this one is still kind of crispy. See, can you hear the sound? You want to be like that, okay? And use the rubber band and tie it up. like that do the both side you want to do the center too, okay? Because the center, make sure is cover very good. You want to fix it and check, make sure it's, you know, perfect, okay? No air in it. See, like that, okay? Name is finished, okay? ส้มหมูแล้วโอเคเห็นบอกใบตองมันกะแข็งเนาะบ่คืออยู่เมืองลาวเขาเอาใบตองใบกล้วยน้ำว้าหรือว่ากล้วยทะนีอันนี้มันก็แข็งหน่อยนึงเนาะแต่ก็บ่มีปัญหาเพราะว่าอยู่เมืองนอกเขาต้องใส่ซิปร็อกอยู่แล้วกันบ่ให้แอร์เข้าอันนี้เฮ็ดกินน้ำบ้านเนาะเอาก้อนใหญ่ๆโลดมันจังได้ใจแต่ว่าผู้ใดภาคเพี้ยนก็น้อยๆก็ได้บ่มีปัญหาDo how you like, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead pack it like this. เขาจะแพ็คใส่ในถุงเนาะเห็นบอใส่จังซี่แล้วกันกะว่าบ่มีลมแล้วกับปิดรถเนาะบัดนี้ปิดจังซี่สีอันเป็นวันแล้วเนาะ I'm finished. So I'm gonna go ahead put real good, okay? Take the air out.And then see how I cover up really good, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead put in the room temperature for 3 days, okay? And then we open up and take a look. Yay, I'm finished. Okay. ส้มเป็นแล้วเนาะเรียบร้อยแล้ว 3 more days then I open up take a look, okay? Meanwhile ลาก่อน See you guys next time, okay? Bye bye ลาก่อนโอเคส้มหมูเขาแล้วเนาะอันนี้มันมื้อที่3 Remember I wrap like 3 มื้อเอาไว้ในZiploc bag I put this name or I make about 3 days I put in Ziploc bag and leave them in a in the house where's the warm area like room temperature and now we're gonna go ahead cut together okay and it's really natural I don't put any kind of what you call the other product make it red so you have to understand it's natural okay so let's cut in half and take a look first okay see what they look like that's what they look like หอมดมมึงก่อนหอมป่ะหอมใบตองหอมใบยมหอมมะเพ็ด okay now let me open up the whole thing so we can see this together okay Come closer that you can see นี่มันจะเป็นอย่างไส้เห็นมั้ย Everything still look nice and good banana leaf is still good สิเป็นจังซี่เอาใบบักยมออกใบบักยม leaf look how good it is Now all I need is sticky rice, but I'm gonna take you guys to go pumpkin patch today, so I'm not gonna eat in front of the camera, okay? So you guys gonna go hang out with me. How about that? ดมมึงหอมปะหอมต้องการข้าวเหนียวกัดเหมือนกันนะซีมเนาะหอม หอมขนาดแต่ว่าต้องการข้าวเหนียวนะคะalright bye bye hey I see you guys next video okay but this is good some people eat raw some people cook them a little bit and they're also good both way okay alright see you guys again next time okay bye bye ลาก่อน bye bye